video is not intended for minors. This video is intended for adults 18 and above. Anything you see in this video, do not attempt or do not try at home without adult supervision if you are under the age of 18. If you're over the age of 18, still use caution and common sense. Thank you. The products you see in this video are not sponsored. They are products that I've bought myself and used and found them to be likable. So I'm sharing them with you in case you want to buy the product and use it yourself. Thank you. But if anyone would like to sponsor my channel, I would gladly accept their sponsorship, and I would gladly do a review on any product or item that is sent to me. Again, thank you very much for watching the channel. This is a Tracksaw. It runs on this track. You could also use it without the track, but it's really made for the track.
What is it again?
A Tracksaw. And you push this button and it comes down. See?
And this one, what's this?
And this is the track that it rides on. It comes in 3 different sizes, and you can also hook them together to
what
make
size
them
is
even
this
longer.
one?
It's 4 foot.
I got 4 foot, 8 foot, and 12 foot, right?
2 foot, 4 foot, 8 foot.
12 foot,
But
4 foot, and
they're
8
a little
foot.
over. They go over about an inch or so. I'm going to take them all.
Put something under there. Put your line again.
Yeah, you gotta put it on the line. You have to have it on your line every time.
This is the other side of the table.
Not too much of this one has to come off because the thinner parts, this.
Yeah, it's on the line. It's on the line, alright.
Always, this is the most important carpenter's tool you can have.
A lion.
Yeah, so you can line everything up. If you don't got one of these, buy one.
You're gonna line by one.
It's got holders on the bottom, these rubber things, so you really don't need these clamps, but it's still always a good idea to use these clamps because you can still move on them. And I put a line that's very easy to see.
A lion?
Yeah, because it's very easy to see. And then you put this right up next to the line. Right up next to the line, like that. And once it's next to the line, see, once it's next to the line, then you clamp it down. But you always make sure that your blade is on the waste side of the wood. You don't saw this, so the blade is on this side, because this is the side you're keeping. Because whatever you're cutting may be, like if you're trying to do a precise cut, you make your blade, your wood, too short by a blade's width.
You lock that one so move.
How we moved off my line.
Move your line.
And then you take your line and you put it on your line. Right there, see, it's right on your line.
That's a good line. Wait. Wait, no. Here's the. Okay, you put that in that groove, this groove. Watch your line, move.
My line move?
Yeah.
Make sure it's on your line.
Move lagi on the spoon.
It's alright.
Okay.
And now it's on my way.
I see. I see. I see. What you doing?
Try to minimize wood burn. And we'll try to take this thing in 2 passes.
Where is the vacuum?
Uh-oh. I'll go get it in a second. Try to minimize wood burn. I'm going to take this bitch here in 2 passes. The less wood burn, the less cleanup I'll have to do.
We connect the vacuum and there won't be too dusty. Now push it more. I don't know if it's tight enough. No. Okay. Now you look like rainbow. Move na move, cause daddy will cut now. Check the vacuum lab. May come out. It's burning because the wood's too thick.
Burn even on things.
Really, it burns. It's really like that.
Well, it wood is dense, but it can still burn a little. All of this will be took off with a.
Sa tuba though, I like it like that dark, like that's like design. See, it's nice.